Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my third play on Ashwe soup. Okay, so as you've seen in my last two videos, the first video I used just the leaves of the Ashwe plant. The second video I used this same flower buds that you're seeing in this video, but without egusi. The twist on this is the egusi addition. So I'm basically doing the same thing I did in the Agbende Ashwe video, but this time around we're making it with egusi. So stick with me. So you're going to wash your flower buds. As I said earlier, okay, I'm just going to assume you've not seen that video, and I'm going to tell you that Agbende Ashwe is the flower buds of the Ashwe plant. Ashwe is the plant. The Ashwe soup, when you make just with the leaves, it's called Ashwe soup, and when you make with the flower buds, it's called Agbende Ashwe. Last, it's like the adornment, the adornment of the plant, the flower of the plant, basically. So you need to make sure that you wash this properly. It's but wet, so it's already wet, like, so you have to be very careful, and you have to be very careful when you're washing it, and so that it's basically like malleable. It's very soft. The buds are very soft. They've been soaked for days, so it's very soft. So you want to be careful not to break it, and so that it doesn't disintegrate. That's the word I'm looking for. So my egusi has been boiling, guys. I've been cooking, I think, for the past 2 hours. So my egusi has been boiling all through. I just left it boiling in a pot. So I didn't just blend egusi and just pour into the pot. Egusi has been boiling for a while. So you blend your egusi seeds and then you boil them properly so that they cook well. You will know it's cooking as the oil is coming out and everything. You'll just be there, very sweet. So my egusi has boiled properly. Now what I'm doing is adding pepper, seasoning, palm oil, and then letting it boil again. Oh, don't you hate it when that happens? I hate it when my seasoning paper falls into the food. It's very annoying. And then I'm going to boil this also with chicken stock. Remember that as I make my thief soups, I usually do not put meat directly into the soup, because most of the time my soup is accompanied with pocho, so I prefer my meat inside the pocho. Pocho is the local thief stew, and then any other leaf or accompaniment I put maybe stockfish, ice fish, smoked fish, just bits of meat so that it doesn't feel too bland, basically. So as this is boiling, I'm going to add seasoning. I tasted the first one and I wasn't satisfied with it, so I added a little bit more of the seasoning. So I'm going to let this boil properly so that it incorporates nicely and the taste comes in together with that egusi. This is basically the main part of the soup. And then now I'm adding our flower buds, aka Agbende Ashwe. I'm gonna add this. So I got a message that I should try to incorporate my non-speaking thief people into my videos. You guys, like, I'm really trying. I don't know how else I'm going to explain these things, so please, I'll be in the comment section. If you have any questions, just ask me. But I'm trying very hard to make sure that I get the recipes as local as possible, and then also like blend the whole thief and English thing together so that you can get the efficacy of the soup. Thank you so much for watching. Our soup is ready. As you guys know from the other Agbende Ashwe video, you don't allow the buds cook too much because they become soggy. But if you want that, you can let it get to that point. But I just don't like it being too soggy, so I try to make sure that it just gets a quick boil and then I put it down, especially if I'm not eating it immediately. Just enough so that the seasonings and the juices get together. Thank you so much for watching. My name is MDEVAAN. I'll be in the comment section for any questions you have. I love you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Mwah.